Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: a silent had an aortic valve replacement 2 days ago. This morning, the silent tells the nurse, "I don't feel any better than I did before surgery." Which response by the nurse is most appropriate? Option 1: you will feel better in a week, 2 or 2. Option 2: it's only the second day post-op. Cheer up. Option 3: this is a normal frustration of it. I'll get better. Option 4: you are concerned that you don't feel any better after surgery. The correct answer of the question, option number 4: you are concerned that you don't feel any better say after surgery. Paraphrasing is restraining the silence message in the nurse's own words. Paraphrasing may be in the form of a question. Option 4 uses the therapeutic communication technique of paraphrasing. The silent is frustrated and is searching for understanding. Options 1, 2 and 3 are inappropriate communication techniques. Option 1 belittles the silence concerns. Option 2 and 3 offer false reassurance by the nurse. Note the strategic words most appropriate. Use therapeutic communication techniques to answer the question. Option 4 focuses on the silence feeling. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.